In this video, I'll show you how to create a scenario in make.com. First, open your browser and go to make.com. Log into your account, or create a new account if you are using Make for the first time. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on Scenarios. This is where all your automations are created, managed, and edited. Now click Create a new scenario. Make will open a blank workspace where you can build your automation step by step. A scenario is basically a workflow that connects different apps together and tells them what to do automatically. To begin, click the large plus button in the middle of the screen. This will let you add your first module. A module is one action or trigger inside your automation. For example, you can choose Gmail, Google Sheets, Telegram, Notion, Airtable, or many other apps. Search for the app you want to use, then select it. Next, choose the trigger. The trigger is what starts the scenario. For example, it could be a new email, a new row in Google Sheets, a new form response, or a new message. After choosing the trigger, connect your account. Make may ask for permission to access the selected app. Review the permissions carefully, then approve the connection. Now configure the module. This means choosing the folder, sheet, form, or specific data that Make should watch. After that, add another module by clicking the plus button next to the first one. This second module is the action that happens after the trigger. For example, when a new form response is received, Make can send a message, update a spreadsheet, or create a task. Map the data from the first module into the second module. This tells Make which information should be passed from one step to the next. When your scenario is ready, click Run once to test it. If everything works correctly, turn the scenario on using the switch at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Your Make.com scenario is now created and ready to automate your workflow. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.